my last question, I know we have touched on it, but not even a small ambition of becoming eThekwini mayor, the biggest municipality in KZN, so that you can get into a system and fix it yourself. Maybe not as a political party, but as an independent candidate. Thanks.
You guys really want me to? As I said, that mayor position, I'm sitting with numerous offers. Numerous. Can't even count them. But I've expressed over and over again, I'm not doing this because I want a position. If anything, I'm studying right now and I'm hoping that the degree I get will shape the next move in my life, which is what I'm hoping to achieve. I do believe that as a leader, I know leaders should be jealous of me because I know for a fact that I understand people's concerns better than most leaders. So I understand why they want me to be a leader in eThekwini, etc. But it's not where I am right now. I can help, consult here and there. I don't mind doing that. But currently, that's not where I am. And I feel pity for the people of eThekwini because I know I would have been a great mayor for them. But unfortunately, that's not where I am. Because currently, Shem, we really lack leaders in the country. It's actually sad, but scary, unfortunately.